Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we will get features for board through REST API from Jira. So we'll extract the detail of all the features which is listed inside our project in Jira through REST API. For performing this activity, we are using Postman, and here we have created an API and configured the token ID so that we will be able to access the Jira projects. If you don't know how to do it, please watch my previous video. I will also include the URL in description tab. And if you want to learn about Jira and Jira REST API, please watch my both the playlist so that you'll be able to understand each and everything in detail. Now, for extracting the feature board, let's understand what is feature here. So when we are opening any projects and navigate into the project settings, here we have features. Once we'll click on the features, these all features which is available here. But generally, for doing this activity, we have to select next generation project. So whichever projects you have from the next generations, we can see this detail. For doing this activity, let's see how we can do it. So first we need some board ID. So let me remove this one and click on send and always select get method. So these all are my board present. For which board I want to do, I have to select it. So now I'm going ahead with this board because this is my next generation project, and here I've created team board. So let's add 3 as a board ID and click on send. I will get the detail about this board. Now, after that, if I want to features detail, so I will simply write features and click on send. I will get every features detail which is enabled and disabled. So I can see the complete feature detail is available here. So I can select any of the board which I want to see the reports. So if I want to see the report of board number 8, I will send it. Because this is not from the agility board, we won't be able to see it. So whichever project is next generation project, then only we can see it. So now my project ID or board ID 3 is my next generation project, and I can see board ID state which is enabled is toggle log. So if you want to verify the code is toggled or not, so navigate into that project. This is my team manage project, and here I have project settings. Navigate into the features, and we are getting proper detail or not, we can verify it. So we were checking on code. So you can see here the code is enabled. So it means this feature is enabled. You can see here. It's toggle lock? No, it's not locked. And this is a part of JSW agility code. So this is how we can extract or get the feature detail through REST API from Jira. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful. Don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.